Listen to this beautiful song that my husband wrote about my chicken, Shy Shy, when I was on vacation. He won't let me release it, so I have to sing it for you. It's a chicken, and Jen's away on vacation, and Shy Shy's walking around in the yard, huffing and a puffing, eating everything inside. She likes the phone, she likes the phone, 'cause her name is Shy Shy, but she's anything but shy. She's anything but shy. This was filmed and recorded in August of 2023, the day after Shy Shy aspirated on her poultry cell, and then I left for New Jersey. I was standing there and just crying on the seashore at the beach. She had recovered from curly toe paralysis, and we were administering 2 milliliters of poultry cell through a syringe. So my husband lovingly sent me this beautiful video, and the rest is how Shy Shy living in the house. Amen. This would be many, many months before my husband could admit to me or himself that he really cared so much about this chicken that it was crazy, and that he had emotional feelings.